Are you thinking about getting a buzz cut? It can be a liberating experience, but before you make the decision, there are a few things you should consider. First and foremost, it's important to think about your face shape. While a buzz cut can look great on some people, it may not be the best choice for others. People with round faces may find that a buzz cut makes their faces appear even rounder, while people with long faces may find that it makes their faces look even longer. It's important to take the time to consider how a buzz cut would look on your face shape before making the decision. Another important factor to consider is your hair texture. While a buzz cut can work for many hair types, it may not be the best choice for everyone. People with curly hair may find that a buzz cut doesn't suit their hair type as well, as curly hair tends to grow outwards rather than lying flat. This can result in an uneven look that may not be desirable. On the other hand, people with straight or wavy hair may find that a buzz cut works well for them. It's also important to consider the maintenance involved with a buzz cut. While it may seem like a low-maintenance hairstyle, you'll still need to get regular trims to maintain the look. You'll also need to invest in the right products to keep your scalp healthy and your hair looking its best. This can include things like scalp treatments, hair oils, and styling products. If you're still interested in getting a buzz cut, it's a good idea to consult with a trusted hairstylist. They can help you determine if a buzz cut is a good fit for your face shape and hair type, and can provide you with tips on how to maintain your new hairstyle. But a buzz cut isn't just about the hairstyle itself. It can also be a symbolic choice that represents a desire for change or a fresh start. Cutting off your hair can be a powerful act of self-expression, and it can help you feel more confident and empowered in your daily life. Many people who get buzz cuts report feeling more confident and empowered after the change. This is likely because a buzz cut can be a bold, daring choice that sets you apart from the crowd. It can also be a way to take control of your appearance and make a statement about who you are. Of course, a buzz cut isn't the right choice for everyone. But if you're thinking about making the change, it's important to take the time to consider all of the factors involved. By doing so, you can make an informed decision that will help you feel more confident and empowered in your daily life.